He said before Ramadan we spoke about the Third World War, which mentioned in the Surah Taha. As Ahmadis, how should we prepare for it?
I have repeatedly answered this question with reference to a verse from Hazrat Masih Maud ﷺ, who says, आग है पर आग से वो सब बचाए जाएंगे जो कि रखते हैं खुदाए जुल अजाइब से प्यार. That it's a great fire, no doubt, but all those will be saved from this fire whose heart is adorned with the love of Allah. The Allah who is Zul Ajaib, who shows wonderful works, out of the ordinary works. So that is what I have been telling throughout all the Ahmadis, that if you are afraid, if you live long enough to see the Third World War, then you better love Allah so much that it should become impossible for the fire to burn you. Right?